we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of NAVAZIP Mini Christmas Tree, 23 inches artificial tabletop decorations, Christmas tree with LED lights. Table small Christmas tree with Christmas ornaments for tabletop Christmas tree. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Festive holiday charm. Infuse your home with the charm of the holidays using this finely detailed tabletop tree. Adorned with individually crafted branch tips, it adds a delightful touch of Christmas spirit to any room. Versatile indoor and outdoor use. Designed for both indoor and covered outdoor settings, this tabletop tree is a versatile holiday decoration. It's simple to set up in your living room, bedroom, or office, or use it as a festive fall and winter decor piece. LED lighting. Elevate your holiday decor with ease. There are two modes, blinking and steady on. This tree comes with LED lighting featuring warm white LED lights, all operated by batteries. Perfect sizing. Standing at 2 feet tall and 4 inches in diameter at the base, this tree is the ideal size for various settings. Whether as a centerpiece, table decoration, or a festive touch on your mantle or desk, it fits seamlessly into your holiday decor. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.